Hello and welcome to this lesson in how to design PCB using Autodesk Eagle software. In this lesson, I will take you in a quick tour to Control Panel in Eagle and learn more about the most important features you need to know. Now let us start with the File menu. You can create a new project, schematic, board, library, and even more. So let me just quickly start a new schematic. Now, let's go to Options menu, starting by Directories. From Directories, we can see all the paths and folders related to each functionality in Eagle, like libraries, design block, rules, cam jobs, etc. So, it will appear under the Tree menu to the left. And you can change and add any new directory from here, as we will see in a minute. With this checkbox here, include Eagle examples. You will find them inside Eagle main folder. In my case here, the C drive. So, all the files inside examples folder will appear in the software under the Tree menu. If you uncheck them, you no longer be able to see them in the software, which is something I wouldn't do right now. Now, let's add a new directory. Let's say under Libraries folder, I want to add a new folder for a specific library. How to do that? Well, simply by going to Directories, and then I will create a folder. I will call it My Current Library inside my document folder. Then I will type semicolon as $home/eagle/my current library. And then hit OK. Now, if I check Libraries folder, I should be able to see this new folder and any new files inside it here. And if I don't need to see it anymore, just simply go to Directories again and delete the directory. So, in conclusion, Directories window allows you to add or remove all the files related to Eagle, so you can be able to see them or not inside the software. Now, let's move to User Interface, which control the appearance of the menu, text, background colors in the software. So, maybe the only thing you might want to change is the layout and the schematic background color. Let me first create a new schematic. In default, it comes with a white background. And from User Interface, you can change the background to black. And as you can see, it's black now. For me, I prefer it white, so I will return it back now. And you can do the same thing to the layout, since it comes with black background in default. For the icon size, it controls the size of the Tools menu icons in Eagle, and in default it's 18, as you can see here how they look. If I want to increase the size, let's say 24, then hit OK. First, I need to restart Eagle so that changes can take effect. If I create a new board this time, the icon is too big to appear in one menu. and I need to extend them to see the rest of the icons. So personally, I don't like them like that, and I prefer to return them back to 18. But it's up to you to change it in the way you prefer. Now, a good thing to mention here is the data collection option. Since everything is connected to a cloud with your Autodesk account, you can review what they can collect about your experience with the software and change them according to you. For me, I will leave them as it is, at least for now, and then close it. Now, let's move to Autodesk account and the ability to connect to your account. I use the standard version since I subscribe to use Eagle for commercial projects. Let me first sign out. Then the offline status appear, and now I'm using the free version of Eagle, which you can use for your projects, but with some limitations, like the size of the layout. Let's say you subscribe with Autodesk and you want to log into your account. Click Sign In. Check if you are connected to the internet. You can create your account if you don't have one already from their website. Then enter your email and password to complete the sign-in. And remember, for this course, you don't need any paid version of the software. We will use the free version for the entire course. Finally, let's see the tree menu, which show us the folders and files that we can use in our projects. If we see under Libraries folder, and then under Managed Library folder, we can see the default libraries that come with Eagle, and the green dot here means they are active and can be used inside your project. If we right-click on the folder and select Use None All, the libraries inside this folder will be deactivated, and we will see a small grey dot to indicate that. Make sure all the libraries are active so you can use them in your design. And under a project folder, we can manage all the design files and can be saved under a project folder, while example folder comes with Eagle, just to show you some designs made by Eagle software, which worth take a look at it. That's it for now. I hope you found it interesting. In the next lesson, we will cover one more option in the control panels. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.